Okay, friends, there is an important update or even an important announcement on the ongoing video series. First of all, thank you for being with me for this whole time. And we have completed this communication topic as per the schedule. Communication is done. Okay. Many of you, like in like 4 to 5 videos, I have uploaded on communication. Few are like 1 hour and 20 minutes or 1 hour 25 minutes. I try to keep them below 1 hour, but sometimes on the flow it exceeds 1 hour. So some of you are saying that these videos are like uh, longer and lengthy. So look, friends, what I would suggest that in my videos that I always used to try to like convey the message as easy so that as you could understand that to use the languages in a very simple manner. So sometimes I need to repeatedly explain some points. So that makes the video longer. Even though when I am explaining something, I always used to ask you people to skip this part, skip some part of like when we are into some derivation or something. And what are the important formulas? Many of you have asked, sir, what are the important formula? What is the crux? See, nothing. There is nothing called crux. See, important formula. I always put them in a box and make a star mark. And I told you that these formulas are important. You should remember this in my video also. So from that you can find out the important formulas. And if time permits, and if you have time after completing the entire syllabus, I will definitely try to compile all these important formulas and important points in a separate video. Yeah. First thing. Second thing is that, see, if you find that video is a bit slow or I am like the pace is little slow, you can watch, you have option on the link. You can watch it on 1.25 or 1.5. But if I record it too fast, so you cannot slow it down. Like slowing it down, it's basically distort the message. But you can increase the pace. That is up to you. So you can watch it by increasing the pace, so that like when you are there is a 1 hour video, it will like hardly come across 45 minutes when you watch it at 1.5. Okay. That one is that, see, for all the comments, like sometimes I'm unable to read all the comments. Sometimes it takes me longer to reply to your comments or your queries. For that, I have created like one Telegram channel. Already there are so many Telegram channel, but since that in that channel I cannot upload things, so I've created a Telegram channel. I will give the link in the description. Give the link in the description. Those who are like, I could give the link in the Telegram channel also, the existing Telegram channel, but I will not give it here. I will give the link in my video description. Those who are seriously means following me, or those who are preparing like by my video lectures, for them they could join on the this Telegram channel. Please join. The like the notes, which is around 26 to 30 pages. I'll compile this in two parts for this communication. What entire notes. So this all the things that we have done over here. I will compile this in the PDF and I will upload in this channel. Okay. Also, each time I have to whenever I upload a video, I place them in the other groups so that you people know. See, I'm making a video. My intention is that most of you would get benefit from out of this. At least extract some amount of benefit from this. That is my intention. So for that, I share it on the channels. So if you first of all, if you are joining in this Telegram channel, so I will be sharing the video link first on that channel. Then I will share it to the other groups. Related materials, whatever I have or whatever I prepare during this entire course of video series will be uploaded in this channel. Okay. Also, kindly subscribe. Kindly subscribe. Why? Because like each time like I forget to share the link in the groups. So if you are subscribed to it, see there could be other videos also uploaded on the same channel. So you subscribe to the channel and you find the playlist that is named as DCIO 2025, something like that on my channel. Okay. So you save that playlist and you check that whether any video is updated on playlist or not. Even if like I'll try to upload the video, share the link in this channel also, in the other Telegram channel also. But in case sometime I forget to share that, so you can get that in the list. This video will automatically get saved to the list, this playlist, as soon as I upload it on the channel. Okay. So these are some important points that I want to discuss. And okay, also see, maybe if we have time at the end, we will take up the numericals from this topic. If you like, if you want that, sir, we should discuss the numericals separately from like important topics, like important domains from the communication. So that would be done, but let me first stick to the schedule and complete all the topics first. And then when all the topics are done, then I think we will be left with 3 4 days. In that case, we can revise and we can take out the with like revision with respect to solving the numericals, and in that way also we can revise as well, and we can solve the numerical questions as well. Although I am trying to include the important numerical questions on the concept that I teach in the class itself. So that will we will proceed further. Okay, so that was the update from my side. Link of the Telegram channel will be given in the description. And by the time you are watching this video, I will be compiling this entire thing and I will push it to the Telegram channel so that you could like later on you could go and reference for a reference. You can take that material. Okay. So okay, thank you. That is all from for this update. Thank you very much.